Are you struggling to get more views to your YouTube channel that you've put your heart and time into? Today I'm going to show you how to easily make professional looking promo videos that you can put up on your Instagram that will make people want to run over to your YouTube channel and watch your latest video. Check out this post that got over 1,000 views and reached over 2,300 accounts. 61% of those accounts weren't even following me on Instagram, and 80 people took action from that promo video. These posts work. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this as well. So let's dive into how to share your YouTube videos on Instagram to get more views for free using Canva. What's up? I'm so glad you're here. I'm Danie, a teacherpreneur. I help people build lives of freedom through building scalable brands on YouTube. Are you ready to get into the tutorial? Let's go. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to go into your editing software. For me, that's Final Cut Pro. For you, that may be iMovie, whatever it may be. You're going to go into the video that you've already created. So you can see here I have a video from one of my past videos, Online Teacher to Coach. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first about minute intro of my video. So I do it up until the trailer. So this video is only going to be a 40-second promo. It needs to be under 1 minute. If it is longer than a minute, it's going to be saved as an IGTV. Now, why do you not want it to save as an IGTV? If it's an IGTV, when you share it, it's only going to play a portion of the video. We want people to be able to watch the whole promo part to get them pumped. So you want to make sure you have a very strong hook in the beginning of your video, and you want to make it less than a minute. If it's longer than a minute, just cut it down and then grab a minute of it. So for me, I'm going to copy this part, Command C, and then I'm going to do File, and I'm going to make a new project. You can see here, I've already done that already, but I'll do it again. I'll do my Instagram example. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to paste that. All right. Now for me, then I have my 1 minute promo, and then I can then just go ahead and save this. I'm going to go File, Share. For me, I'm going to share it in 1080p. And I'm going to save this onto my computer. Now, once that's saved, you're going to go into your Canva account, canva.com. If you don't have a Canva account, it's totally free. I do recommend, though, eventually moving up to the Pro version because it's pretty cheap and there's so many more features to it. But even if you have the free version, you can do everything I'm going to do today. You're going to come up here and click Create a Design, and we're going to make it Instagram post size. Now you are going to need to upload your video. So you can come to the left-hand side of the Canva and click on Uploads. You can either click Upload Media or you can just drag the file over. I'm going to go into my account and grab what I saved. As you can see, I've actually already uploaded this video, so I am going to drag this over. And I'm going to drag it to make it nice and even. Now I'm going to make it go sort of at the bottom because I want to add some text to explain what this video is about. So I'm going to go over to text. I'm going to add a heading. And I am going to make a caption about this. So this video is, let's say, Teacher to Coach. And I'm also going to add some text above it as well. How to go from teacher to coach. Once you get the text looking how you want it to, the next thing we'll do is click on the Elements button in the left-hand side of your Canva account and type in YouTube because we're going to add in the YouTube logo. You'll notice some of these logos are for the Pro version that you have to pay for, but there's some that are free that you can use if you don't have the paid account, like this one is free. So I'm going to use this one and put it in the corner here. You can put yours wherever you see fit. I always think it looks nice in the bottom right-hand corner. I can also change the color of this if I want as well. Now I'm going to also change the background color by clicking in that little corner box and change it to my brand colors. Branding is super important, so make sure that you watch my video on how to really build a strong personal brand. I'm going to add in the text now here too. You can see on the left-hand side of Canva and put wording that says full video on YouTube and then change it to my brand font. Don't forget when you post this to also put that people can find that link in your bio. Now I'm going to click on templates on the top left-hand side of Canva, and I'm going to grab some ideas of things I can add to add some flair to my post, because I don't always know how to make things look super pretty. So I'll just take inspiration from the Canva designers because these are free, and change them to my colors. So I can copy and paste these into my own, and that way it adds a little bit of flair. So if you're ever like, I'm not very graphically design oriented, that's okay, use the templates. And then we're going to go over to download, and you're going to click on the page you want to download and save it as an MP4 onto your computer. Another option is that you can get Canva on your phone and download your video straight onto your phone instead of downloading it onto your computer and having to airdrop it or email it to yourself. So I always just download it from the Canva app on my phone to my phone. That way I can really easily upload it on Instagram. So that's what I'm doing here. Once that's saved onto my phone, I will click into the Instagram app and we are ready to post. I'll click on the plus sign up at the top and then I will make a post. Make sure that you pick a nice cover where you're smiling or something, and so that looks nice because that's going to show up on your feed. Also, don't forget to tell people that they can find the video linked in your bio. Now, when you go to share this onto your story, I always recommend sharing onto your story. Don't share it as a post, okay? No, we don't want that. I actually want you to go and click the plus button and click story, and then share it as what it's saved on your phone as. That way people can watch actually the full part of the promo. It's just another way of getting people more interested in watching the video and actually going to their YouTube channel to increase your watch time. That way you can add things like polls, you can add text. It's going to really add to the engagement of it all, rather than just sharing the post from your post onto your story where people have to click in to play it. This way it's going to play all the way through, and it makes people more likely to go to your YouTube channel. I'm even adding a little arrow here and making sure I add the text link in bio. If this was helpful for you, it's so helpful for me if you can give it a like and be sure to subscribe. And while you wait for next week's video, be sure to check out these other helpful videos, and I'll see you next time.